What's up everyone, it's Nicole here from YC Onion. In this video, I would like to talk about this brand new product, Burger SE Motorized Pen Head. So what's new? Let's check it out. The boxy shape and easy button control make it a minimalist style design. It's made of aluminum alloy which is resistant and durable. It is equipped with a 2.5mm shutter release port and a Type-C power supply port, which is convenient for mobile power supply. Of course, you can supply power with battery. This Burger SE pen head is powered by Sony 550 series battery, different model, different runtime. In the daily shooting, the top ¼ screw can be equipped with an adapter to achieve the use of equipment with different screw holes. There is a ¼ and a 3/8 screw hole at each side, which can be equipped with gears up to 3 kilograms to achieve vertical shooting. With the development of technology, people use mobile phone more and more frequently. And of course, every intellectual product adds its own app. The Burger SE has no exception. You can find Burger SE pen head in this YC Onion app. Connect to it, set AB point, then you can start shooting videos or doing time-lapse. As part of YC Onion motion control ecosystem, Burger SE can interlink with Chocolate SE motorized slider. After setting the parameters in Chocolate SE app, click the buttons below to enter video mode or time-lapse mode. You can also adjust the trace of these two products at the same time to achieve parallax and panoramic. Alright, that's it for this video. If you find it helpful or just simply like it, please thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe for more. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye!